Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to demonstrate launch control in a regular BMW, although it's not really a regular BMW, it's a 2018 M550i xDrive. So in order to initiate launch control, we'll do a couple things. First, we got to make sure we're in Sport Plus transmission. As you can see up there. We're going to do manual shifting over here, or at least in S mode at least. Then one more thing to do is we have to activate dynamic traction control. You can see that up there. You can see traction control is limited. Now, we are ready to launch it. Of course, we did warm up the car first. They recommend at least driving 6 miles in order to warm up the car initially. And I'll always do is foot heavy on the brake, left foot, and then right foot all the way down on the gas pedal. We should launch control. You can see it active. All right. Oh, shit. That was pretty impressive.
That was a good one, dude. That was a good